And in a weather alert, you can check out those gorgeous look at the mountains. This is up Little Cottonwood Canyon. Alta sharing this time lapse of their website. Not a cloud in the sky over the pristine slopes. Unfortunately, though, the road up to the resort does remain closed today over avalanche risk.
But gosh, how beautiful is that right there?
That time lapse, we need to let it play for another moment. It's so beautiful.
Clear skies looking great, but those avalanche concerns are not going anywhere. This warm up prompting some of those concerns as the snow is ready to slide. Take a look at some of the things you have to be aware of. Why is avalanche danger so prone right now? Well, it's not just the warm up. Our solar angle has a lot to do with this as well. We've received that record snowpack, and natural and human triggered falls could happen. We know wet avalanches means that we've got sliding snow and it's going over the roads, so dangerous conditions out there, which is why it's been touch and go in the canyons. The avalanche warning extended through Thursday at 6 a.m. Foothills are part of the concern, and that's because of their sloping. Anything less than 30 degrees is considered dangerous, and we want to be extremely careful. Clear skies out there. Chris Williams got this amazing video here at Deer Creek Reservoir. It is just stunning, but you could just see all that sunshine out there, and that brings concern. Deer Creek looking beautiful on the Wasatch back. We've had quiet conditions with high pressure in control, but now we've got a cold front approaching. What's going to happen when this starts to move through is we'll see an increase in cloud cover, and that's going to happen as we make it into the evening hours. We knew today would be warm. Did you know it was going to be record breaking? Live view of St. George, where it just looks beautiful. Lots of sunshine down there in that portion of the state, and temperatures knocking on the door of 90 degrees, 89 right now in Washington County. We could see the first 90-degree reading. Now keep in mind, the southwest corner of the state is the highest when it comes to snowpack percentage. So we're going to melt off quickly there. 70s in Logan and Ogden, low 80s in Salt Lake. We already broke the record, hitting 83, 75 in Provo. Weather Service putting that out there. Talk about some weather whiplash, because last Tuesday, we topped out at 33 degrees. We were in the midst of one of our largest storms of the season, and we picked up 8.5 inches of snow at the airport. And here we are with our first 80-degree day a week later. Talk about a change. The weather pattern shifting, and we are going to bring in a storm tonight. Our area of high pressure sliding slightly to the east, and that opens the door for this front to come on in. By tomorrow morning, we will have a little more cloud cover. The winds ahead of this occluded front will actually be gusty, so we will see some windy conditions. And then behind it, there we go, the winds pick up in the afternoon. We get that wet weather. Here we are by 8 p.m. Keep your eye on the clock in the corner of your screen. We start to see that wet weather filling in the northwest corner of the state and tracking towards Cache Valley. Now, we do see the wet weather filling in for the overnight and into early Thursday morning. Because of the timing of the precipitation, we could see some lows that flirt with straight snowfall, and that includes in colder valleys like Cache Valley, but we could mix in that wintry mix where we've got some snow mixing in with the rain, and you can see the model seems to like that. Many valley locations will be straight rain. Watch as that moisture becomes a little more showery through the day on Thursday. The front will eventually exit. Snowfall potential is there for the mountains. We could pick anywhere between 4 to 8 inches for the high country. Now again, we have to keep a close eye on that, because adding more snow to an unstable snowpack, not terrific. Temperatures dropping ever so slightly, but southwesterly winds keeping us warm. 71 in Salt Lake, 84 in St. George, still significantly above average. There's the sunshine in the south where the winds will be the big ticket item, and we get those 70s. The 80s come back, and here's the Wasatch Front with those numbers getting down to the 40s. Talk about a cold front doing its job, a drastic drop in temperatures, but we rebound quickly, chance of wet weather, and we will be right back.